Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to another exciting episode of Delray's #1 game show, The Joker's Wild!
Now let's get this party started!
Today, the world's elite fighting force betrayed our nation.
Fights for us!
I'll be on the west coast, I'll be on the east coast, I'll be north, south, but I reside on my side in West Coast. Here I come! Show yourself!
Yeah.
The king is back! Ang pakiganti! Ano? Palagkas?
B-boys, time to battle!
I'm a matofado gentleman.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Candidate number 5. Question. Who is the national hero of the Philippines?
Tagay kong clue.
Letter G and R.
Jericho Rosales.
GR?
GR, oh. Jericho Rosales.
Eh, dili, doktor na siya.
Doktor, dahil na, abila kong panday, eh.
Doktor.
Doktor Jericho Rosales.
Last question. Candidate number 5. Last chance. Candidate number 5. What is the national bird of the Philippines?
Tagay kong clue.
Letter M.
Manok.
Brown ang color, anak. Brown.
Ay, brown.
Oh.
Lechon manok. Brown na lechon manok.
Dili ka na mulupad na siya ba? Mulupad og layo. Mulupad og layo.
Ay, mulupad og layo.
Oh.
Kanang taas kayo.
Oh.
Little M.
Oh.
Kay baon ako.
Day. Unsa man?
Manananggal.
Open Gangnam Style! Open Gangnam Style!
Girls and boys, and boys and girls. Wobble, 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 wobble. Girls and boys, and boys and girls. Wobble, 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 wobble.
Bakit nga ba ang puso pag nagmamahal na ay saryang napapagtataka?
Puro kasalita! Wala sa gawa!
Alright, yeah, alright, come on, it's time to hit the dance floor. The way she hit her back, low. It's kinda weird, it's kinda crazy, but I think I like it though. She's higher than the motherfucker, and tighter than those other suckers. I never seen a girl shake it so hard, I think I'm about to blow. You ain't know, I'ma go. Just sit back and watch the show. It's too late to turn back now, nigga.
Tomorrow morning if you wake up and It's not okay.
Istoryahe! Ito ang totoong facial expression!
Mr. Lover, lover. I'm Mr. Lover, lover. Girl, Mr. Lover, lover. I'm Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, when the fantastic. Put me on the box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. On the fantastic, put me on the box, she says I'm Mr. Smooth.
Let's go!
Di na marunong sumayaw, pero gustong gumalaw. Magpakita ng galing, magpakita ng linaw. Sabay sindihan nilaw, boses na sumisigaw. Halika, bumitaw sa nitong bagoy. Di makakayan, di makikita, tayo'y kakaiba. Tayo'y kakaiba, parang galing sa comics. Tunog ko'y electronic, may kulay supersonic. Di marunong sumayaw, pero